So this is the first video I'm doing on this YouTube channel, and it's a question that I haven't really seen answered on YouTube, so I think I should answer it today, since it's kind of the beginning of the school year and there's kids asking for questions on AP Calculus and whatnot. So the question I'm concerned with is the limit as x approaches 0 of x over tangent of x. So first step is to always write limit as x approaches 0 for every single step in your question. Once you reach that, you do x over the tangent of x is equal to sine of x over cosine of x. So right here you would write sine of x over cosine of x. Scroll down. So you get limit as x approaches 0 of x, and then at this point you'll multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, because when you have complex fractions, that's the first step you have to do. Also known as keep, change, flip, or KFC as I like to call it. So once you reach this step, limit x approaches 0, x over cosine of x over sine of x. So one thing you have to know for calculus is that the limit as x approaches 0 of x over sine of x equals 1. And same thing goes for sine of x over x. That would also equal 1. The next step would be limit as x approaches 0, and then you would factor out the x to get x over sine of x times cosine of x. So at this point, the limit as x approaches 0 of x over sine x, as discussed here, would equal 1. And then you multiply that times cosine of x. And then once you reach this is a function that can be worked with. So now, you would do limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of x, which would then turn into, you would plug in the 0 into this this expression to get cosine of 0, and the cosine of 0 would be 1, and that's the answer.